shit. Everybody putting ice on my scalp. Hashtag she's 44. April 4th. But take it. Oh, Chris, you hush. Hello, beautiful. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Welcome to another video. This video is brought to you in collaboration with Allie Grace Hair. Now, wait a minute. I know you think that this is just another curly, beautiful, deep wave beauty. Now, you're right. But let me tell you where you're wrong. So this is actually a sew-in. We've got bundles upon bundles upon bundles. We did something a little bit different. Allie Grace sent me some beautiful bundles of hair and a closure. So this time, girl, we're doing something a little bit different. But if you want to see exactly how we got, okay, these bundles and this closure installed, then stay tuned. Because you know where we're going, girl? We're going to the Rare Touch Hair Palace with Renija Gatlin. She's my stylist. She always slays my looks. So you guys, come on, sit down, relax. Let's see exactly how she put this look together. Thank you so much for watching. For you that are watching this video, you mean the world to me. Girl, let's get into it.
Told you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that way. Tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my. All bad all day, but the night I get that good till we act right. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave. Tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead. We could go all night.
I've been calm, cool, collected, but you pushing on my nerves. And I'm knowing your intention, I'm under pressure. Okay, I'm admitting that a couple things I said got acidic in the tone and the presence, I get careless. Long as you know I come with imperfections. When you look at me, you see the soul through my flesh. You something special. Know you looking bomb, the way you dress it, gone flex it, hold it still and let my mind digest. You got the leverage, you got the upper handle on the situation. You worthy of a million more of the storms that we weathered. We fight retreating, then fuck, but you trying to kill the cycle. When nobody's stressing that body like me, I know the way you like it. I treat you like a queen, run the castle, you a treasure. Feel like you setting fire to my desire for the pleasure. You a gem, got me blim, let's make amends. Know you can, I'm out here
trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we can share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could go all night. We could go all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow
to LA with it. Rewind to LA with it. Yeah. 10 toes down, I'ma ride with the gang. My whole life I've been doing my thing. Get that money, ain't no thing. Anything I do for the gang. 10 toes down, I'ma ride with the gang. My whole life I've been doing my thing. Get that money, ain't no thing. Anything I do for the gang. Anything I do for the gang. Took those L's and I took that blame. All money in, we ain't copping no change. Feel like Ice Cube, cause I did good day. Don't need 3 whips, don't need no race. I'ma keep it simple in the Chevy I skate. Thank the Lord every time I wait. Lace my shoes and I get to that cake. Heads up, I'm coming. This is all we ever wanted. Go and stack it by the hundreds. This is all we ever wanted. Down, I'ma ride with the gang. My whole life I've been doing my thing. Get that money, ain't no thing. Anything I do for the gang. 10 toes down, I'ma ride with the gang. My whole life I've been doing my thing. Get that money, ain't no thing. Anything I do for the gang. Pedal to the floor, to the engine. Head up in the clouds when I levitate. We don't spit game, we just educate. 10-10-80, how the paper straight. Couldn't get it back then, so I had to wait. Now the money come to me, so I don't have to chase. I don't gotta flash nothing, I don't gotta fake, darling. We not practicing, we ballin'. And heads up, I'm coming. This is all we ever wanted. Go and stack it by the hundreds. Heads up, I'm coming. This is all we ever wanted. Go and stack it by the hundreds. This is all we ever wanted. Down, I'ma ride with the gang. My whole life I've been doing my thing. Get that money, ain't no thing. Anything I do for the gang. 10 toes down, I'ma ride with the gang. My whole life I've been doing my thing. Get that money, ain't no thing. Anything I do for the gang. Yeah.
Fool me once, fool me twice. When you're hiding things, might as well be lies. Can you ever get it right? How long will I let this lie? Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside, waiting by the curb. Too upset to drive, you getting on my nerves. We gon' get lit on this ride. I look too good to fight. Don't expect me to come home tonight. Coming, don't wait up. Trying to get you to wake up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Can't ignore my intuition, baby. I know you're typing every game you try to play. You know you could get replaced. Cause I won't track around, no.
So queen, give it to me. Give it to me fresh. Give it to me. Tell me something good, girl. About the girl, this is a beautiful wave of hair. Okay, bundles were on point. This look has been slayed. I know you're tired of seeing curly, but listen, I love curly hair. Okay, to me, it's something that's the easiest for me to maintain, but it gives us the most beautiful payoff. The hair is, it's gorgeous, girl. Well, it's gorgeous. Period. I love this hair. You guys know that whenever I recommend hair, it's going to be good quality. Sometimes it may take 6 hours. Sometimes it may take 8 hours. We get a lot of hair sent to us, right? And Renidra and I, we sift through it, and she's like, that's not a good one, or yes, this is a good one. And she told me I always know when it's right and when it's hitting on something, because she'll say, Joy, I like this. And this was one of them that she said, Joy, I like this. So if you're not looking for a wig, but you want that full sew-in look with you a closure, girl, go ahead. Allie Grace is your girl, and get you some bundles. Thank you so much, Allie Grace, for sponsoring this video. I really, really appreciate it. Thank you to each and every one of you queens that make the difference. You guys come and you watch each and every one of my videos. Now listen, I'm also doing To The Salon behind the scenes, so be on the lookout for the blog and try on hauls and all the other great content that I have here on my channel. Shout out again to you, Allie Grace, for sponsoring and collaborating with this hair. You guys, the hair is beautiful. You're gonna be seeing a lot of it. You guys know this is right up my alley. I love this type of hair, and I really, really recommend it. So definitely go ahead and get you guys some bundles. Thank you so much for watching. Beauty is a state of mind, not body. My mind is stuck on gorgeous. What are you thinking? Hello? Girl, I'm tired. I'll see you in the next video. Check out some more of my hair videos, girl. I have a whole bunch of a hair playlist right here. Check out some more of my hair videos, girl. Subscribe. Check out the hair videos. Subscribe. Watch my previous video that you missed. Yeah, I know you missed my previous video. I know you wasn't watching it. Why you ain't watch my other video? I ain't gonna say nothing. It's all good. I love you anyway. It's okay. It's all right.